You're about to go on a hot blind date with a guy you met from one of those swiping date apps, but what's that growing on your face?
Oh my god!
It's a good thing you got Jasclair's Dermaplaning tool. The Dermaplaning tool comfortably removes unwanted hair with exacting precision while exfoliating and creating a smoother complexion. Remove those pesky unwanted fine hairs on your cheeks, upper lip, eyebrows, and other areas of your face without it growing back thicker. Let's get that fresh glow back in your skin with our specially formulated vitamin C with hyaluronic acid facial serum, which will hydrate and help minimize the appearance of expression lines and wrinkles. Shined up, refreshed, hairless.
Hey, did you do something with your hair?
Jasclair's Dermaplaning tool. What are you waiting for?